in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Stafford County in northern Virginia, southeastern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, southwestern Prince William County in northern Virginia, the southwestern city of Manassas in northern Virginia, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Linton Hall, or 11 miles east of Warrenton, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Linton Hall, Dumfries, Independence Hill, Nokesville, Catlett, Calverton, Avon, Heflin, Ruby, Somerville, and Bristersburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.